Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable default call recording in iQOO Z3, iQOO 7 and other iQOO mobiles. So guys, in iQOO mobiles you don't have Google dialer. So this is advantage for you. If you want to enable default call recording in your iQOO mobiles, you can enable and record calls without any voice notifications. So guys, to enable call recording in your iQOO mobiles, open dialer. Now open settings. Now open call settings. Open this record settings. Guys, default it is selected, don't record automatically. From here you can enable call recording automatically, or if you want to custom recording, then you can select third option, custom calls. So guys, from here you can see your default call recording path. Now go to back. Now dial any number. Now guys, see, your call is received and now your default recording is enabled and it's recording your call. And guys, here you don't get any voice notification that your call is recording or anything. Now you see your call is saved. Now if you want to see this call recording, then open dialer, press this I button. And from here you can see your call recordings. If you want to play, you can play from here, but from here you can only listen your calls. And if you want to share your calls, then open files, open internal storage, open record, open call folder. You can see all your recorded calls stored here. If you want to share your calls, then you can share from here. With the help of this method, you can record calls in iQOO Z3 and other iQOO mobiles. And if you want to share your calls, you can share from internal storage. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.